Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about the keyword as. I searched for it just a little bit ago and I did not see it, and it's super important, and we're just going to do a real quick video on it. So alright, let's just look at what in the world this does. So we have all of our crazy packages in Python. So let's just import what? Let's say import math. Let's run this. So then we run dir on math, close that out, and what? Then we have square root, we have all of these right here. So let's say we wanted factorial. Okay, so I'm lazy, and if you've not seen the from import, or if you don't get this, from math import factorial as fact. So alright, so here's the long version of it before we run it over there. Import, I already got math in here. So alright, so now I want to do factorial. And then now it goes, oh, I know that. Go ahead and run this. So I get 120. Well, I don't want to type that out every single time. So that's crazy. So, and also, just surprise, I think we did a factorial video. Here's a way to do it. So now I run this. Same thing. So this is also called an alias. So I'm importing, and hopefully real soon we'll start to get into some really cool stuff, and maybe even downloading external, because all these are internal built-in libraries that we have to import. But there's some really cool outside stuff. I'll show you how to download it and everything, but you're not going to want to type in all this, and you're definitely not going to want to do that, because if you spell anything like I do, I spell horribly. I'm dyslexic, I'd mistype, okay, that's just waste stuff. I can type fact. So this is aliasing using the keyword as. That is super handy. So I thought we'd touch on that before we get doing some really cool stuff. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything. And please leave any video requests, comments, or anything that you need from me, because you guys are awesome for watching these videos. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.